Welcome to this tutorial on how to empty your cart in Etsy. This guide will walk you through the steps to remove items from your cart on the Etsy platform. First, you need to sign in to your Etsy account. If you do not have an account, you can create one for free. Once you are logged in, click on the cart icon located at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to your cart where you can view all the items you have added. To empty your cart, you can remove items one by one or clear the entire cart at once. To remove an item, click on the Remove link next to the item description. This will take the item out of your cart. If you want to clear the entire cart, click on the Remove All Items link. This will delete all items from your cart. It is also possible to update the quantity of items in your cart. To do this, click on the Edit link next to the item quantity. You can then enter the new quantity and click Save. If you reduce the quantity to 0, the item will be removed from your cart. Another way to empty your cart is to go through the checkout process and then cancel the order. However, this method is not recommended as it may cause confusion and unnecessary processing. Best practices for managing your Etsy cart include regularly checking your cart for items you no longer want, updating quantities as needed, and clearing your cart when you are finished shopping. By following these steps, you can easily empty your cart in Etsy and keep your shopping experience organized and clutter-free. Remember to always review your cart before checking out to ensure you are purchasing the correct items. If you have any issues with your cart or need further assistance, you can contact Etsy customer support for help.